The Google Books Advantage, your open playing field. Imagine a space where the possibilities are endless, where you can carve out your own niche without the constant pressure of overwhelming competition. Amazon KDP is great. It's crowded though. Everyone and their mother is trying to make money there. You need an edge. You need to be different. The sheer volume of content can make it hard to stand out. That's where Google Books comes in. It's a massive platform. Think about how many people use Google every single day. It's not just a search engine, it's a gateway to a world of information. Now, a good chunk of those people are looking for information. They're looking for answers. They're your future readers. They are actively seeking out content that can provide them with the knowledge they crave. Google Books is your open playing field. It's your chance to stand out. Here, you can reach an audience that is not just passively scrolling, but actively searching for what you have to offer. You're not competing with a million other authors all vying for the same tiny sliver of attention. Instead, you have the opportunity to capture the interest of readers who are genuinely interested in your subject matter. This is your opportunity to build a loyal audience. These are readers who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. They're hungry for knowledge. Give it to them. Engage with them. Nurture their curiosity, and they will become your most dedicated followers. This is about playing the long game. This is about building a sustainable business. It's not just about quick wins, but about creating lasting value. Are you ready to win? Are you prepared to take advantage of this open playing field and make your mark? The opportunity is here. Seize it. Becoming a Google Books author. It's easier than you think. You might think it's a daunting task, but it's actually quite manageable. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Even if you're not tech savvy, the process is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding genius. The platform is intuitive and straightforward, making it accessible for everyone. Becoming a self-published author on Google Books is surprisingly simple. It's a step-by-step process that guides you through each stage. First, head over to Google Books Partner Center. This is where your journey begins. It's your one-stop shop for everything related to selling your book. From uploading your manuscript to tracking your sales, it's all here. Create an account. It's free and easy. Just fill in your basic details and you're good to go. Next, you'll need to input your payment information. This ensures you get paid for your hard work. This is how you'll get paid. Every sale you make will be deposited directly into your account. Don't worry, Google Books is a secure platform. Your information is safe. They use advanced security measures to protect your data. Once that's done, you're ready to start uploading your masterpiece. Simply drag and drop your files and you're almost there. We'll get to that part soon. Stay tuned for more detailed instructions on how to format and upload your book. For now, just know that the process is straightforward. You've got this. Don't overthink it. Take action. The world is waiting for your story. Chat GPT, your secret weapon for content creation. Now let's talk content. You need a book, right? Something valuable, something that stands out in a crowded market, something people actually want to read, something that captures their interest and keeps them engaged. Here's where Chat GPT comes in. It's your secret weapon, a tool that can transform your content creation process. Chat GPT is an AI-powered tool designed to assist you in generating high-quality content effortlessly. It can generate high-quality content in minutes, saving you hours of brainstorming and writing. Think blog posts, articles, even entire books. It's incredible. Here's how it works. It's simple and efficient. You give Chat GPT a topic. Be specific. The more detailed you are, the better the output. For example, the ultimate guide to indoor herb gardening for beginners. A niche topic with a lot of potential. ChatGPT will then generate a comprehensive outline, breaking down the topic into manageable sections. It will even write different sections of the book for you, providing a solid foundation for your content. You can edit and tweak it, of course. Make it your own. Add your voice, your insights, your expertise. This is about working smarter, not harder. Maximizing your productivity and creativity. You're leveraging technology to create amazing content, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 4. Crafting your masterpiece. From cover to disclaimer. First impressions matter. Your book cover is crucial. It's the first thing potential readers see. You need a cover that grabs their attention. Canva is a great tool for this. It's free and easy to use. They have tons of templates. You can also upload your own images. Now, because you're using AI, you need to add a disclaimer. Be upfront and honest. Let your readers know that parts of your book were written with the help of AI. Transparency is key, it builds trust, and trust is everything in business. Section 5. Unleashing your book, publishing on Google Books. You've got your book, you've got your cover, you've got your disclaimer. Now it's time to unleash your masterpiece on the world. Head back to your Google Books Partner Center account. Click on Add New Book. You'll be asked to upload your book file. Make sure it's in the right format. EPUB is usually best.